Hi there. For today's Ninja Art Tip, I want to just chat to you a bit more about organisation. So in the previous art tip, we talked about the fact that visual people work really well with visual organising systems. So, using clear containers so that you can see what's inside. The exception to this rule is brush containers. So I always keep all of my brushes separate for each medium. I never mix up watercolour with acrylic or acrylic with oil and so on. And that's really important to do. Make sure that you don't let your brushes get mixed up. And for that reason, it's really important to have them each in a separate container. So one of my favourite ways, I'll just show you this set of brushes here. This is one of my favourite ways to keep brushes tidy and organised is in a brush wallet, it's called. So this is what it looks like when it's folded up together with its little Velcro tab. And I label each of these brush wallets with the medium of the brushes that's inside it. So this one that we're looking at here is my fine watercolour brushes. And you can use a jar to hold your brushes if you want to. But wallets are really good if you're going to go out on location or paint at a class in a remote spot and you just need to grab all your brushes and take them with you. So very short tip of the day, keep your brushes separate and use wallets and organising systems like that. And don't forget to come and join us in the dojo for more free art tips and tricks. And please like, share, comment, tell me how you're organising your brushes. And I hope that's a useful tip for you. Thanks for watching.